Hi, I'm Peter from Home Inspection Right Away. I would like to show you how to clean the septic effluent filter. This particular system has 3 lids simply because the first 2 are for the tank and the third one is for a pump chamber. But in most cases, we're not worried about anything different than the lid where the filter is. Some of these screws are already loose, so when closing back up, I will shift it by 1 or 2 terminals, and there's much more terminals than there is screws, which means we will have all fresh terminals afterward. The blue part is the effluent filter, and it needs to be cleaned typically once or twice a year, but I find that most homeowners are not aware of it. Maybe they were not instructed, or maybe they were and they forgot. Bottom line is they need cleaned much more frequently than just pump outs. All right? Procedure is fairly easy. It should be done much more often. We're gonna pull the blue part out and check it. All right, this one is not very dirty, but we're gonna rinse it anyway since we have it out. We never rinse it over the same opening where we pulled it out. We don't want all these little solids to go right back into the same spot and clog the filter again. So this can be rinsed either over the first chamber of the tank, or we're gonna take it out into the trees. In order to rinse, we want to use either low pressure from a garden hose, or we can use pail of water. Either way, doesn't matter. Next step is to reinsert the filter, and this is just the most popular filter we use in our area. This one is directional. It has 2 right directions and 2 wrong directions. Okay? If trying to insert the filter back in the wrong way, it will not allow us. So the right direction, let's make it clear, is if these holes line up with outlet pipe. If we try to insert it where the pipe is here but these holes are here, it will stop us before allowing us to go in. If we do not snap the filter in, it will get pushed out by that air ball at the bottom of filter housing. It's snapped in, all good, ready to be closed. I changed gloves quite a bit after touching sewage and if I have to touch something else. So here's another round of gloves, and we're gonna close up the lid. And remember, low torque on the drill, not to over tighten, not to cause damage to plastic terminals. Now that the filter is nice and clean, things can flow freely. A clogged filter actually poses a risk of sewage back up into the building. So check your filters, clean your filters, have fun.